What's good, YouTube? It's your man Money Mayor, and I'm back here with another video. And yeah, in today's video, I'm just gonna be telling you guys how you can sit here and start investing into the Forex market for free. Sit here and open you up a little demo account and start getting used to the platform that we trade on, and also start getting used to the chart platform, TradingView, and just give you guys just a quick little startup on this market. So, first things first, what do you need and what things and resources do you need to sit there and begin trading into the foreign exchange market? Well, for one, you need internet or Wi-Fi. That's easy. Two, you need a phone. I know all of you guys have a phone. That's easy. And for three, and the third reason, you just need a laptop. I got a MacBook Air. You don't need no MacBook. You can have a Chromebook. You can have a Dell. You can have I don't know any other type of brands, but you don't need the highest end laptop. You just need to be able to access the internet. If you have a desktop, that's even better. That's even a bigger screen for you to look at the charts on, so that's not bad as well. Step two, on your phone, you're gonna have to download an app called MetaTrader 4. Now, MetaTrader 4 looks like this. This app right here. Whoa. And it is just basically the platform where you execute your trades on. You have to have this app, and once you have it downloaded, you're gonna have to open up a demo account first. Now, a demo account is fake money. This is why I said this is free. Like, there's no money down. It's free money right here that you're gonna be able to trade. So once you have MetaTrader 4 downloaded, I want you guys to sit here and you're gonna have these two options here. It says open up a demo account or log into an existing account. You're gonna want to open a demo account. The server that you're gonna want to click is MetaQuotes Demo. It's literally should be the only option that's up there for you guys. And then from there, you're gonna have your personal information. If it's not already filled out, fill it out. It's just your name, phone, and email. Account information. The account type is a Forex USD because you're going to be trading US dollars and you're going to be making profits in US dollar. The leverage, you always want to sit there and trade with a high leverage. Whatever broker you decide to sit there and go with once you're actually depositing your real funds, you always want to go with the highest leverage. It just gives your trading account overall some more breathing room and allows you to sit there and endure more just stress on the account, So 1 to 100 for the leverage. And deposit, please hit 3K. None of you guys should be sitting here hitting that. Oh my God, is that a $5 million account? I think the 5 million is the biggest account available to trade on a demo account. You have to be realistic here, okay? This is a demo account, so you want to sit here and put in a demo size that's really going to represent what you would actually be putting into the market itself. Now, 3,000 is the smallest available on this server, the MetaQuotes. But if you sit here and open up a broker account with my broker, KOT, Kings of Forex, you can sit here and go to them and open up an account for $1,000 for a demo account for $1,000, and that's more reasonable for you guys, or more reasonable for some of you guys that I know don't really want to put in even 3K as your first investment in the foreign exchange market. But 3K still isn't even a bad investment to me, But you're gonna hit 3K because that's the smallest amount, and you're just gonna hit register. Now you're gonna get a login number. You're gonna want to probably remember that number, and your password. You're gonna want to remember that as well. And your investor password, you don't really have to remember that. That's nothing. I don't really even know what the investor password is for, but it's really nothing. I don't even worry about it. But once you have those two, you should be into your account, and your MetaTrader 4 should be looking like this with all the currency pairs and their quotes showing. Now I'm just gonna give you guys a quick breakdown on this app right here. So You have a tab at the top that says simple and advanced. That just shows you the price of each currency pair in a different type of way. I always go with advanced just because, you know, it just looks a little cleaner to me. And the plus button right here, this is just where you sit here and add more currency pairs to this list right here. There's literally thousands of currency pairs that you can sit here and trade. So how do you know which one is the right one for you to trade? Well, really, I would just go with the majors at first. The majors are like the AUD USD, the GBP USD, the Euro USD. I would start off with those type of pairs. What else we got? USD CAD and USD JPY are definitely the pairs I would sit here and start off trading, you know. And then you have to the tab to the right. Well, actually, let me tell you guys about the spread. Spread, you know, under your currency pair, you have a spread, and spread is just basically only matters once you're getting into the market. This just means how precise your entry will be once you hit that buy button, and how precise it is to the actual price that the currency pair is at that time. So if you enter at a high spread, like if you enter with a spread of like 25, 20 or more, something around that, then more than likely when you hit that buy button, your entry is not going to be exactly where you think it is. It's going to be a little adjusted. It may be a little higher or lower depending on if you're buying or selling, but just keep in mind of your spread when you are executing trades on this demo account. You have a chart tab. This is just where you see the chart of whatever currency pair you were on. Right now I'm on the AUD USD, so this is the AUD USD's currency pair right now. As you can see, it is kind of, it's on a little bad, it's on a downtrend right now. Really, like I said, you don't really want to be trading on your phone because it's so small and cluttered. So don't even bother really looking at the chart that much because it's going to give you a little bit of headache. That's what your laptop and desktop are for real. In the middle tab, you have your trade tab. This is the main tab that you probably want to be on, because this is the tab where you will see your trades running at. This is where you add positions on. So if you hit the plus button on the top right again, it will show you this screen right here. And you have a buy and sell button. This is just, you know, buying, selling. If you're selling the market where prices are making lower highs and lower lows and it's in a bearish trend, you will be selling a market. And if price is in an uptrend and you're looking to buy, meaning price is making higher highs and higher lows, you will be looking to buy whatever market you were in. If you tap right under where your currency, quote is, it says something that instant execution. Now you see you have buy limit, sell limit, buy stop, sell stop. I want you guys to not even worry about that type of stuff, because when you're entering the market, you just want to be doing instant execution. That just means when you're hitting buy, you're in. When you're hitting sell, you're in. Although these other options, it just depends on when price reaches a certain point and you will automatically be placed into a position. And that's, I mean, it works for some people, but really, why not just control when you press buy and sell? That's just how I look at it, you know. So that's just me. Under that, you have these numbers. You have a minus 0.01 on the left and a plus 0.01 on the right. That's just where you're adjusting your lot size. Basically, what your lot size is just your money multiplier. Meaning that the higher your lot size is, the more money you're making per pip. So say you're trading with a lot size and your lot size is 0.01, which is called a micro lot. This is the smallest lot size available. This just means that you're going to be making 1 penny per pip. You know, that's not really where the money's at. This is for people that are really like trading with $10 in their in their trading account, you know, and you're just not really going to be feeling like you're doing much trading with a 0.01 lot. You're just not. That's just me. I've traded with them before, trust me, and it's just not satisfying. A little step above that though, you have a 0.1 lot. This is where you're trading $1 per pip. And the way I'm calculating how much like pips or money you're making per pip with this lot size, whatever set lot size you have inside of this box, you just want to sit there and move the decimal point over 1, and that's how one place to the right, and that's how you know how much money you're going to be making or losing per pip. Okay, so on a 0.01, you move the decimal point over to the right once, and you're going to be making $1 per pip. If you trade a standard lot, which is a whole number, and you move the decimal point 1 time to the right, that means you're risking or making $10 per pip. It's pretty simple, you know. It's the same thing if you're trading with 2 lots, which is 2.00. You put the decimal point over to the right once, and that means you're making $20 per pip. And this is really where money is moving. Like when you're trading with standard lots, man, I promise you it's a whole different mind shift, bro. Like, because then you're really seeing, okay, now I'm really making great money from this. Now, with your lot size though, it really all depends on your account size. This is why I say, well, I didn't say it yet, but this is why I tell everybody that comes to me about Forex and like, oh, how much should I really start investing into, or how much did you start out with, or whatever. Like, I would really just say $1,000, man, because with $1,000, that's when you can really feel comfortable trading standard lots and really start seeing money move. You know, mind you, this Forex game is a risk management game, so you want to sit there and be able to have enough money in your account size to sit there and be able to withstand whatever risk you're putting on. So with $1,000 account size, you will be able to sit there and handle whatever risk comes with trading one standard lot. Okay, so enough with the lot size. Below that is your stop loss. Stop loss is just basically a point in the market where price will automatically stop you out once you're in drawdown. So if you have a 10 pip stop loss and the currency pair that you're trading price goes ahead and hits that price that you have set inside the stop loss tab right here, you will automatically be stopped out of your trade. And yeah, you just be stopped out and it'll be a loss for the day. You got to sit there, pack up your bags, and go ahead and go out and enjoy the rest of the world, you know. Now, take profit is the same thing. Once you're in profit and high profit or whatever, and say you got to step away or whatever, and you want to sit here and make sure you get out of this trade once price comes to this point, you type that price inside your take profit, and once price hits it, you're automatically out. You secure the bag, and you do whatever you want with your profit. You can go ahead and withdraw it. You can go ahead and save it for your trading account and stack it up, or do whatever with it, you know. And this last little tab below it, it says deviation. That is just something that's probably on this server itself. I've never seen this tab on my KOT server, so this just must be something on this server. I wouldn't worry about it. Don't even play around with it. It's nothing. So the last thing you need to do to sit there and begin trading Forex for free right now today is you have to sit there and get used to the trading platform where you sit there and see the charts. You know, and this is where you are going to be spending most of your time on. It's not going to be on your phone looking at this MetaTrader 4 app, okay? It's going to be on the TradingView app. Now, this TradingView app is very, very, very important. I'm going to sit there and make a separate video on this platform because I really want to sit here and go in depth about it and show you guys really like how important it is and how you should sit there and be treating this platform. Like this is like a football player's playbook. This is like a basketball player's what's it called, study film session or whatever, you know. Like this is your time to sit here and really study whatever pair you're going to commit yourself to. But a little quick things about TradingView, like any other things, there's either a pro version or the regular version. The regular version is perfectly fine. You do not have to sit there and feel pressured to sit here and invest into the pro version. The only difference from the free version to the pro version is that the pro version, I believe, has faster price ticks. Like you're able to sit there and see price moving at real time. And I mean, that's what I have. It's pretty clean. It's only like, I want to say $14.99 a month for the pro version, I believe. And one more difference is on the pro version, you're allowed to sit there and use a bar replay. And the bar replay is very helpful when you're sitting there trying to back test the market. Back test meaning you're going back in time and looking at a certain position where the market was and just analyzing it and studying it and taking notes on it and doing whatever you're doing with it, you know? And that bar replay is very important. I feel like if you do have the money to sit there and invest into it, go ahead and do it, because I think it speeds up a person's comprehension process of what the heck is going on in the market. But like I said, I will sit here and make a separate video on TradingView itself, because it's really a lot of tools and indicators that you can sit here and put on your charts that can really help you out on the market. So just be aware of TradingView. This is the main charting platform. You do not want to be sitting here looking at the charts on your phone on that MetaTrader 4. You don't want to be a phone trader, trust me. I've never met a person that's been successful trading on their phone, so make sure you show TradingView some love. But really, now you guys should really be set up and really should be ready for the trading week. You know, it's currently Sunday at 1:32 a.m. and if you guys don't know, the market is open 5 days a week. It opens on Sundays at 5 p.m. and closes on Fridays at 5 p.m. So from 5 p.m. on Sunday to Friday on 5 p.m., you have the whole day, those whole 5 days to trade and get in and out of trades. So take advantage of it, you know. Play around with the MetaTrader floor. See how the numbers are moving on different lot sizes. Like, get familiar with it. This Forex game is it's an adventure. It's not a sprint, it's a marathon. So the sooner you get familiar with your surroundings, the more comfortable you'll get with them and the more confident you will eventually get. And you know, maybe once you get enough confidence, you'll sit there and be able to get off the demo account and put in real money and really start to make money, like real money, start withdrawing and enjoying your profit. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. You guys have been showing mad love on the channel. I just want to take this time to say I appreciate you guys viewing the channel, showing me love, like for real. Go ahead and subscribe, keep on showing love, because I promise you guys I'm not stopping. Like, this is something I really want to keep sitting and continue to do, give you guys this information. So when you guys subscribe and hit that like button, that's how I know I'm doing a good job and I'm on the right path with this stuff. But enough talking. I'm out of here. I'll catch you guys later.